Hello students, welcome back in moral science class. I hope you all are fit and healthy and taking care of yourself. Children, we are doing unit 2, have good friends. We have completed page number 9 and today we will read a story. So take out page number 10 everyone. The title of this story is Two Good Friends. Means this is a story about two good friends. Let's read the story. Once there lived a leaf on a tree and a lump of clay under the tree. They were very good friends. The climate was good and they lived happily. See the picture? A leaf living on a tree and a lump of clay under the tree. Children, what is lump? A lump is a piece or mass of indefinite size and a shape. Okay. And they lived under the tree and they were very good friends. Who were good friends? Clay and a leaf. They both were very good friends. And the climate was good and they lived happily. So climate was good. Climate weather means it was very good and they living happily. Now second point, as day passed, the climate changed. It was time for autumn. Along with the other leaves, this leaf also fell down from the tree. See in this picture, as you know, the days passed, the climate changed. As you know, climate does not remain same. So climate changed. So which season came now? The season, autumn season came now. Do you know what happened in autumn season? The autumn season comes in the months of September and October. And the leaves start falling off the trees in this season. So it is known as fall season also. So children, this was the autumn season. So in the autumn season, you know, leaves are falling down. So that leaf also fallen down. So along with the other leaf, this leaf also fell down from the tree. You can see in the second picture. Now come on third picture. The leaf was weeping all day long. The leaf explained the situation to the clay. She said, soon there would be a wind and she will be thrown away by it. So the leaf was weeping, crying. All day he was crying. Why he was crying? Because the leaf explained the situation to the clay. They were good friends, so he was explaining the same situation to the clay. And what did she say? She said, soon the wind will blow and she will be thrown away by it. As you know, when wind blows, so it take all the things with it. So leaf is also very light in weight. So with the wind, leaf will also go away. That is why leaf was crying. Now fourth point. As a friend, the clay consoled the leaf and promised to protect her. When the wind blew, the clay stood on top of the leaf. All other leaves were thrown away by the wind, but this leaf was safe under the clay. Now see, you know, they were both were very good friends. So as a friend, the clay consoled. Console means to make comfortable. Comfort someone at a time of disappointment. As you know, leaf was disappointed. To make him understand or to make him comfort, what clay did? Clay said to the leaf, I will promise that I will protect you. Now see how the clay protected the leaf. When the wind blew, the clay stood on the top of the leaf. You know, clay is heavy in weight. So clay put the leaf under the clay. All other leaves were thrown away by the wind, but this leaf was safe under the clay. See in the picture that all leaves were thrown away, but only that leaf left over there because the clay put that leaf under itself. So now this leaf is safe. Now they were again happy. Now see in fifth picture. As days passed, the climate again changed. It was time for rain. The clay was upset. He shared his fear with the leaf that he would be washed away by the rain. Now see, as the days passed, the climate again changed. Again the climate changed. Now the rainy season comes and this is the time to rain, and the clay was upset. Now clay started upset. Why? Because when the rain falls, the clay washed away from the ground. So clay was having this fear in his mind. So he shared this problem with the leaf that clay would be washed away with the rain. Now come on the sixth paragraph. The leaf consoled the clay and promised to help him. When it rained, the leaf covered the clay from the top. Thus they lived long as a good friends. Now see how the leaf saved the clay. When the rain falls, the leaf consoled the clay and promised to help him. Earlier in the fourth paragraph, the clay consoled the leaf because leaf was in problem, but now the clay is in problem, so leaf consoled the clay that he will definitely protect him. So when it rains, the leaf covered the clay from the top. See in this picture how the leaf is covering to the clay, and they become a good friends. Then they live happily. The clay and the leaf, they remain at their own place. So in this way they become a good friends. So children, I hope you learn the moral of this story. The moral of the story is a true friend does not leave us alone when we are in trouble. Means if you are in trouble, you are in any problem, then your friends will not leave you. They will always be with you. Okay, so you also make that friends only those help you when you are in trouble or when you are in any problem. So children, this was the story. Now next book exercise we will do in the next video. So it's your homework that you will read this story twice and try to find out the question answers, true, false, and filling the blanks yourself. Okay children, so by that time take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, goodbye.